Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So I don't waste your time, in this video we're going to be talking about how to design a well designed images such as thumbnails, logos, album covers, and so many other things. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just be glancing so that I won't waste much of your time. This is the website we're going to be using, which is postermywall.com. So in Postermywall here, you can search for a range of so many range of email of templates you want to use for. Let's say, for example, now we have a flyer here. You can just click on this flyer and look at, there are so many flyers here of which you can use. Here they have 106,280 plus flyers templates which you can make use of. There are so many video templates which you can edit. Let's use this one now, for example. Yeah, you can just click on this customize template. Just give it a few seconds for it to load. Now almost everything here is what you can edit, including this picture. Anything here you can edit it. You can remove this picture and upload your own picture. Let's try it here. Let's use the stock images. The stock image, let's just search for couples, then click on search. Click on search here, they will bring a wide range of couples here. These are free stock images of which you can use. Let's go with this, then click replace image. So initially I'm replacing the image that comes along with the template, you understand? So I don't need the image. So as you can see, this is the image we just imported here. So now you can change this logo. For example, let's just replace this logo. Let's put love. Yeah, we can just replace this image here with love. Replace image. Now we need to crop. Just crop it a little bit. Now click crop. The audio is uploading. Now other things we can change here is you can edit almost everything here. Even those texts, you can edit all those texts, all this. Just double click on it here. You can just put anything here. You can double click on this one too. You just put anything here. So that's all. That when you are through, you can just you can click on this download button here. Now it's preparing your design. It's preparing it and making it ready for you to download here. All you need to do is just to give it time for it to load. Now this is it. This is what we'll be using. Let's say, for example, we're needing this image. They said for personal use and draft prints, has watermark. So you can just cut away the watermark, the watermark area from the image. Just few seconds. The network is somehow sluggish this evening here. Yeah, it's preparing, creating your design. Now the image has downloaded. Now let's view the image. Now this is the image here. So you can see how what we edited is here. This is the this watermark here. This is the watermark. This is the watermark here. Now what we'll be using to edit this watermark is the free software that comes with your PC here. Now let's just go and edit this. download. Now click here, then you click on edit. Now you come here, this is the watermark here. Now you can just crop this, that's all. There's not going to be watermark here again. Now you just close the software to save, then just click save. If we open this here now, you will see there is no more watermark there, as you can see. Let me just zoom it for you guys to see. This is it here. This is it here. There's no more watermark here now. So that's how you can download design a free image here. There are lots of things you can do on the website here. Let me just show you guys around. Let me just show you guys around here. Sorry. So here you can still use to generate to create and I will some YouTube thumbnail. They just search for YouTube thumbnail. Also, you can create YouTube channel art. This is here. These are just an example here. That's if you want to create a Facebook cover photo, Facebook cover video. There's Instagram story. So there are many things you can do here. You can still use a video here. This one is a video. This one is a video. This is a video also. That's if you want to create an intro. So they have wide variety of templates you can use. I teach you the secrets. This is an image. You can still make so many things you can make here. As you can see, it's very clear, very neat for you to use. You can design it to your own taste. This is it here. As you can see here, you can edit almost everything. You can edit everything here. You can replace this guy just like I did in the first video. Change this, so many things here. So it's left for you. You can still use this to create and ads, Facebook ads or Amazon Kindle ebook. This is an Amazon Kindle cover, Amazon books cover. As you can see, there is already made template. What you just need to do is just to input your own details and just continue from there. Just input your own details, design according to your own tastes, and just download your picture. That's all. And that there are still some other tips on how you can download images from free stock images. Sorry, paid images. Let me not use free because you need to pass through some things to make it free without watermark. Let's say Adobe stock here. Let's check our Adobe stock images. You all know Adobe stock images is a premium website that offers premium stock images here with a very high quality image. Well, let's say for example, let's search for dogs, because I love dogs so much. Yeah, as you can see here are dogs. No, they just use just use images here. Yeah, here are images of dogs here. So now we'll need to download let's just, sorry, I'm looking for the one that I like the most. Yeah, because I'm a fan of dog. I love dogs so much. Wow, what a pretty images. Oh yeah, seems I like this. Yeah, seems I like this. So now what you need to do is just to right click, then copy link address. Now we'll be using another site for this. You just search for downloader.la. Downloader.la. Now you hit the button. This website offers so many services here of which you can use. Yes, you can see they offer premium stock files, so you can download this is paid though, this is paid, so but others here are free. That you can download from Adobe Stock, of which we are going to use now. Alamy, that all those other ones, Getty Images, iStock, Picfair, so many of them here. Yeah, there are very so many of them. Only just glance through to see the remaining ones. As you can see, so Medium, download Medium articles for free. So that will be another tutorial. So now let's use this Adobe Stock here. So now you just come, we already copied this image URL. Let me recopy it so you guys can understand. Now you click here, click on download, just give it some time to load. Now click on download. Now it should open a JPEG file. Now you click the image here. This is the image, you understand? So now to download, you just right click, save image, then click on download. Let's just open the image and see. So now I would like to use the image as my where I'm going. Background. Let's see how it look. Wow, it's not that okay. So let's just search for another thing here. Yeah, I guess this is okay. Yeah, I believe this is okay. I believe everyone's gonna like this. Yeah. Now you come back here to this downloader.la. Now let's input this text. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. That's not what I should copy. This is what I should copy. Copy link address. Sorry. Now you click. Just give it some few seconds to load. Now let's just check the image and see if it's actually our image. Yeah, here is it. Just click to open. Wow, what a cute dog. Now you need to save image. Click save. Now you open the image. This is it. Oh, this does not, sorry, this does not, seems this does not bypass it, because I can still see some things as the background, some watermark at the background, right? Yeah, I can still see some watermark at the background. So let's try this other one here. Let's try this other one here. Yeah, let's try this. I believe it was that image that has some, that used that's how the image was being created. Let's check this once again. Let's check it out. Let's check this out and see if it's actually, yeah, I think this one is okay, Abby. No, it still appears a little bit. I think it still appears a little bit. Let's just save it first to see if actually it's okay. I think it appears a little bit here. Yeah, it appears a little bit. Man, I love this. Let me just use it as my, wow, so cute. So that's how you can I believe the method is about to bring patched, because I used it recently a few hours ago and it was working very okay. So I don't know why it's like this now. Or if we, let's just give another one a try here. Let's use this. Let's use this. Copy link address. Yeah. Now you click on download. I believe this should be okay for us. Okay, it's still loading. Why is it stuck there? Then I believe the site is somehow busy now. Yeah, I believe the site is somehow busy now. So let's try other means here. Let's try other means here. Let's try okay, let's try Alamy photos. Alamy stock photo. Now let's search for dogs. Now we scroll down. Wow, what beautiful dogs. Let's check this out. Yeah, I just copy the link. Now let's try this and see if the problem was only for Adobe stock images. Let's give it some few seconds to load. I just hope this works. Yeah, I believe this works. Yeah, this works. That's to show the problem was only from downloading the Adobe stock image, and I believe it will be resolved soon. Yeah, let me use this as well because I love it so much. Wow, as you can see, I don't think there is any copyright, any watermark in this video here, in this image here. There's no single watermark. So that's how you can as well import this dog's image into this poster my wall template here and use it. So that's how you can create a very eye-catching images on the YouTube thumbnail and Facebook Facebook cover page. So many other things you can do with this tool. So I believe we should end the tutorial here. That's all for now. If you're having any question, you can just drop your email. Drop your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.